Hi, I'm Aaron Dad with Archer Services, and I'm here to talk to you today about the olive tree. This is a fruitless olive here in Houston, Texas, and it's an evergreen tree. It's kind of a moderate growth rate. When we planted this one here, it was about a 30 gallon. It was about half this size. It's been in the ground for about coming on 2 years now, and it's doubled in size. So 8 foot, 9 foot tall. So it's gone from around roughly 5 feet tall to around 8 or 9 feet tall in a period of 2 years. And then same with the growth rate horizontally wise, it's going to reach about 25 feet tall and 25 feet wide. So kind of make sure you have that spacing. The other thing too is that here we've been getting some really hard freezes in our area, and it's actually really knocked the olives way back when it does happen. So be careful when you buy this one. Make sure you really like an olive tree. It's not my favorite because of that reason. If we get a freeze below 20 degrees, there's a good chance it's going to knock this one all the way back to the ground. It doesn't fruit, so it doesn't make a mess. It's evergreen. It looks very similar to a live oak tree. It doesn't have flowers. You're mainly buying it for that evergreen forested look, kind of to say also that you have an olive tree. It doesn't have a lot of fragrance. So it's a beautiful tree. We'll start pruning this one up. It's also too, this one gets a decent amount of shade, so it's a little weepy. It does prefer full sun. So if you plant it in full sun, you're gonna get more of that stiff, upright branching that it likes. Regular water, it's pretty drought resistant during the winter months. It's a pretty carefree tree. The only worry is if we get a really, really hard freeze for our area of Houston, Texas, there's a good chance that it's going to knock it back to the ground. It will come back, but it takes it a long time to kind of grow back to this size. So best of luck. Enjoy your olive trees if you go with it.